Question 4. A parallelogram OK where OK side is 5.5 centimeter and KA is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Is it unique? You are asked that. So children, you are to construct a parallelogram OKAY, okay, and two sides are given. So children, let us draw a rough sketch of a parallelogram. So we have drawn, I have named it OKAY, okay. It's written OK is 5.5, okay. OK 5.5. KA 4.2. KA 4.2. So now children, in a parallelogram we all know the opposite sides are equal and parallel. Therefore, if this side is 4.2, this side also will be 4.2. If OK 5.5, then the opposite side, that is YA or AY, will also be 5.5, isn't it? So this is the rough sketch of the parallelogram. So now let us draw it. Okay, let us construct it. So children, first what we will do is we will draw the line OK, which is 5.5 centimeter. Okay, let us draw 5.5 centimeter. Okay, here it is 5.5. Okay, so we have drawn. Name it OK. Okay, now children, we don't know the angles. So this is the main part. We don't know the angles. So what we will do now? Right. So the adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. So if this angle and this angle, if you add up, you will surely get 180 degree. Okay, but the main thing is that we don't know the angles. So children, we will take angles by our own. We will assume the angles. Okay, we can take any angles basically. We can take 100 degree, 80 degree, okay, like that. 70 degree, 110 degree, any combination we can take. So children, let us take 60 degree, 120 degree. Okay, angle O let us take 60 degree and angle K let us take 120 degree. So when you add up, it is 180 degree, right? So we have taken 60 and 120 because these two angles are standard angles and are very easy to draw. Okay, now angle O 60 degrees. So how we will draw 60 degree? We will take any measurement, any radius you can take, and you will draw an arc in this way. Okay, like this, and from this point, okay, where this arc and the line intersected, from here we will draw a arc here. So this arc, right? So if I join this line, then the angle which will form is 60 degree. Okay, so let us join. Let us join. Okay, nicely we will join. Okay, this angle is 60 degree. Okay. Now children, K we have taken 120 degree. Let us draw again 120 degree. From this point K, I will, by taking any radius, okay, the measurement, this radius can be any radius. So I will draw an arc in this way. Okay, now from this point I will draw an arc in this way, like this. Then this point, I will draw an arc here. Okay, let us do one thing, make this arc a little big. So this angle here, this angle, if I join, it becomes 120 degree. Okay, so let me join. Let me join first, then okay, see, we have joined, right? So the angles are done. OK 5.5 centimeter, KA 4.2. So from here to here, I will put an arc of 4.2 centimeter. So children, we will take the measurement very correctly. We will take, oh see, this is already 4.2. So fortunately this is already 4.2. I don't know how come it is 4.2, but it is. So from here I will draw an arc of 4.2 centimeter. Okay, and this side also is 4.2 centimeter. So I will draw an arc in this way. Okay, now children, 4.2 marks are done. This point will be A. Okay, we will refer the rough diagram. This will be A, KA, OY. Okay, now join these two lines. Join these 2 points. Okay, I've joined. Now this is our required parallelogram. Okay, so this side also will be 5.5 centimeter. This side will be 4.2 centimeter, 4.2 centimeter. Okay, so this is our required parallelogram. And children, one more thing I would like to tell you is that, is it unique? So you will write the last question, is it unique? It is asked to you. So you will write, no, it is not a unique parallelogram, because the angles can be of any measure. These two measures we have taken, isn't it? The angles can be of any measure. Therefore, it is not a unique parallelogram. Okay, so that's it.